Good afternoon, friends. Today we will see about the LCM and HCF. LCM means least common multiple. Suppose ABCD are the four numbers. We have to find the LCM. So LCM is the smallest positive number that is divisible by ABCD. LCM is the smallest positive number that is divisible by ABCD. So you can understand this LCM concept by simple example. Here we want to find about the 4, 6, 8, 12 is the four numbers. So LCM of that four numbers is very simple thing. Take the highest number from these four numbers. So 12 is the highest number out of these four numbers. Take the 12 multiples. So 12 ones are 12. 12 is divisible by 4. 12 is divisible by 6. 12 is not divisible by 8. So 12 is unfit for the LCM. So 12 twos are how much? 24. 24 is exactly divisible by all the four numbers. So 24 is the LCM. 24 is the least common multiple of 4, 6, 8, 12. Means 24 is exactly divisible by 4, 6, 8, 12. And that too it is the smallest number that is exactly divisible by 4, 6, 8, 12. So 24 is the LCM of 4, 6, 8, 12. Here is the methods you follow in the school to find the LCM. 4, 6, 8, 12. So you divide with 4. You get 4 ones, 4 threes. You divide with 3. You get 3 twos, 3 ones. You divide with 2. You get all the ones. Take the product of these 3. You get 24. 4, 6, 8, 12. This is the prime factorization of method of LCM. LCM we can find by many methods. One method is prime factorization. So 4 can be written as a prime factors 2 square. 6 can be written as a prime factors as 3 into 2. 8 is equal to 2 cube. 12 is equal to 2 square into 3 power 1. So LCM, to find the LCM, we have to take the highest powers of 2. What is the highest powers of 2? Here 2 square, 2 cube, 2 square, 2 power 1 is there. Highest power is 2 power 3. So we have to take the 2 power 3. After that 3 is there. 3's highest power is what? 3 power 1 is the highest in this. So 3 power 1. So 2 cube into 3 power 1 is 24. So 24 is the LCM of the 4, 6, 8, 12. So this prime factorization is not useful for the simple numbers. It is useful for the very big numbers. If suppose very big numbers are there, you can write it in a prime factors and take the highest powers out of that. Every prime factor, take the highest power and multiply that, you can get the LCM. Highest common factor. Highest common factor means suppose 12, 15, 18 is there. We have to find the highest common factor. You have to understand this simple common factor. Means 12, if you take the factors of 12, 2, 3, 6, 12 are the factors of the 12. 15, 3, 5, 15. 18, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So here common factor. 3 is the common in all the 3. 3 is the common in all the 3. 3 is a factor of 12, 3 is a factor of 15, 3 is a factor of 18 also. So 3 is a common for all and it must be the highest. There is no other number common to all these. 3 is the only highest number and it is a factor of all the 3. So 3 is the highest common factor. By prime factorization also you can find this. So in prime factorization, you take the least powers of the number, least powers. So if you take the least powers, you get the 3 as an HCF. Here is a HCF finding using division. This division can be useful in when we have a two numbers or three numbers, we can find the HCF by dividing. But so many numbers are there, we have to find the HCF. Then division also takes more time. So in division, we have to take the least number and highest number of out of the given numbers 12, 15, 18. 12 is the least number, 18 is the highest number. We have to divide the highest number with least number. So we get a 6 as a remainder. Then we take 12 as it is and divide the 12. We get a 0 remainder. So 6 is the common factor of 8 and 12. So another one is remaining 15. So we have to divide the 6 with 15. We get 3 as a remainder. So we have to divide by 3 with 6. We get 0 as a remainder. So 3 is the common factor of 18, 12, 15. So here is another question. LCM and HCF of 24 and 36. So take the highest number to find the LCM. So 36 factors are these: 36, 72, 108. 36 is not divisible by 24. 72. 72 is divisible by 24 and 36. So 72 is exactly divisible by 24. So 72 is the LCM of 24 and 36. To find the HCF, we have to find the factors of 24 and 36. 24 factors are 2, 3, 6, 12, 24. 36 factors are 2, 3, 6, 12, 18, 36. So here 12 is the common factor for 24 and 36. So 12 is the HCF. Here if you multiply LCM and HCF, you get a certain result. If you multiply first number and second number, you get another result. If you observe, these two results are the same. LCM into HCF is equal to first number into second number. Yes. If LCM and HCF of the two numbers are 24 and 4, first number is 12, second number is what? We know the conclusion. LCM into HCF is equal to first number into second number. So 24 into 4 is equal to 12 into second number. So 24 fours are 96. So second number is 96 by 12. 8 is the second number. LCM of prime numbers is the product of two numbers. Suppose LCM of 23 and 27 is there. 23 and 27 are the prime numbers. So simply the product of this 23 and 27 became the LCM. And HCF of that prime numbers is 1. Suppose 23 and 27 HCF is 1 because 1 is the only common factor between 23 and 27. In a traffic light control, red glows for every 6 minutes, blue glows for every 8 minutes, green glows for a 16 minutes. No, for every 16 minutes. I have to write it as every. Find the time at which three lights glow at the same time, not simultaneously, at the same time. I have written it as a wrong, same time. So if we want to find the three lights glowing at the same time, you have to find the LCM. So LCM of 16, 6, 8 is 48. So for every 48 minutes, this 3 will glow same time. 3 will glow for every 48 minutes. If 3 jars contain 36 liters, 24 liters, 36, 24, 120 liters of liquid, find a jar largest volume with all the jars liquid can be measured perfectly. You have to find a jar with which you can perfectly measure 36 liters, 24 liters, 120 liters. So you have to find the HCF of these three numbers. 36, 24, 120. HCF is what? 36 factors are there. 24 factors are there. 120 factors are there. 12 is the common among the three. So 12 is the perfect measurement. 12 liters is the perfect measurement. Perfect jar. You can measure the 36 liters, 24 liters, 120 liters. With 12 liters jar, you can measure the 36 liters in 3 times. With 12 liters jar, you can measure the 24 liters in 2 times. With 12 liters jar, you can measure 120 liters in 10 times. So LCM of the fractions is equal to LCM of the numerator by HCF of the denominator. HCF of the fractions is equal to HCF of the numerator by LCM of the denominator. So to find the LCM and HCF of 1 by 6, 2 by 3, 5 by 6, 8 by 5. So LCM of 1258 is 40. HCF of 6365 is 1. Is it 1? HCF of 6365. Okay. Is 1. Right. Because 5 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, and no common factor between all the 4. So 1 is the correct one. So 40 by 1 is 40. 40 is the LCM of all these fractions. HCF of the fractions is equal to HCF of the numerator by HCF of the denominator. What is the HCF of numerators? 1258 HCF is what? 1. Because these are all the prime numbers. 125 is the prime number. 8 is not a prime number, but there is no common factor between 8 and 5, 8 and 2, 8 and 1. So that is the problem. LCM of 6365, LCM 30. So 1 by 30 is the HCF of above fractions. If a number is divisible by 4, 6, 8, leaves a remainder 3, then find that number. There are so many numbers that will give a remainder 3 when it is divisible by 4, 6, 8. You have to code it as a least number. So least number that is divisible by 4, 6, 8 leaves a remainder of 3. So to find the least number that is divisible by 4, 6, 8, you have to find the LCM. So LCM of 4, 6, 8 is 48, and the remainder 3, you have to add that to 48, 51. So if you divide the 51 by 4, you get a remainder 3. If you divide the 51 by 6, you get a remainder 3. If you divide the 51 by 8, you get a remainder 3. If two persons started at 7 a.m. are running at a speed of 40 meters per minute and 60 meters per minute in a circular track. Remember the points, it is a circular track. If the circumference of the track is 240 meters, what time they will meet first time? They will meet at what time? Since it is a 240 meters track, in 6 minutes, one person will complete. In 4 minutes, another person will complete because these speeds are different. So 6 minutes and 4 minutes they will complete. If you find the LCM of 6 and 4, you get 12 minutes. So after 12 minutes, first person will complete the 2 rounds, second person will complete the 3 rounds, but they are at the starting. So they will meet. So for every 12 minutes they will meet. So thank you. Thank you for listening me. Have a nice day.